Rapid plus TCT is a great place to learn about new technology. It's a place to meet other industry experts, and it's a place to come and see what new technologies might be on offer as well.
Rapid TCT and other events, they are super important to understand the new technologies, to learn about your applications, to get problem discussed, solutions discussed.
So with 3D printing, seeing is believing. You can watch a webinar, you can look at a website, you can look at printer specs and post-processing specs, but there's nothing like holding a part in your hand or seeing a printer in action.
If you want the opportunity to see everybody in the additive manufacturing ecosystem, Rapid plus TCT is definitely the place to come. We come here because all of our customers are here, all of our vendors and suppliers are here, and it's a great opportunity to network and just understand the industry better.
This event, Rapid plus TCT, is really important for the industry because it brings together all of the industries from aerospace to consumer products to medical to automotive, and it really allows people to work together and leverage off of each other's solutions.
I would advise coming to Rapid plus TCT so that you can actually network with the right individuals in every step of the value chain.